My example of 21st century e-learning and its relation to the three orders of reality is the use of the Osmo app and our classroom blog in my grade 3 French immersion classroom. The natural order, which is explained as our senses and our body, is seen with the requirement for the students to use their sight to look at the screen, their hearing to listen for the audio cues in the activities, and their physical touch to work with the manipulatives such as letter and number tiles and tangram puzzle pieces. The practical order, which is the use of materials and artifacts such as tools and technologies, is demonstrated with implementation of the iPad and the Osmo stand and its reflective mirror, as well as the physical materials that can be reflected onto the screen. The students solve the puzzles using these tools, and the software is smart, so each game gets progressively harder as the students improve. For example, the tangram game starts out with each puzzle piece shown on the screen, and as the students become better, only the outline is presented. As well, in the numeracy game, the addition questions become increasingly more challenging. The social order, which is symbolic, means particularly language. In many of the activities on the Osmo, the students need to work together to solve the puzzle and must use language to communicate their thoughts and ideas. This is of particular importance in French immersion, where the oral language component is emphasized to develop their French language skills. The e-learning component comes into play with the blog, where students can upload their images from the Masterpiece game. I can also upload images of the students working to solve problems, and they can comment on the blog about their own or their peers' drawings. This demonstrates 21st century skills of developing responsible digital citizenship by using their online voice to express positive comments towards their peers. A final component of the social order that involves discursive knowledge is the availability of videos online of other people using Osmo, which the students can watch. These help to build on their possibilities for creativity and loop back to the practical order as is shown in Archer's graphic of the three orders of reality and knowledge.